Democracy is an imperfect form of working, but it is the only viable one we still have. So it's not only true for a country, it's also true for a family, and it's also true for an organization. So it really is how democratic are you and how democratic are your founding principles. I often say it's not just about citizenship education, it's about being a good human being. Embedded in that idea of a good human being is to make other people comfortable, is to make other people's experience as comfortable as you would like your own to be. And in that lies equality, justice, social justice. So citizenship may be a big word, but really it is about being a good human being. We've had children calling up 1098 and rescuing their classmates from child marriage. We've had children reaching out to CMCA for children who are being abused in a community setting in a town. So, we've had children who are thinking about other children. And because of what they've learned in CMCA, they've helped those children. We have so many stories of children calling up local government helplines and solving civic issues. Even as adults are holding their noses and saying India will always be like this, and who's going to do anything about this? We have children actually proactively engaging with local government. But I think women leaders, I don't think we should lose the womanhood in us, or the essence of our leadership style as women is, I've noticed, quite different from others, genders, and men. So I don't think we need to be a man to be in the boardroom or in a leadership position. I think we really have to embrace those qualities that make women leadership quite uniquely different and distinct from the way men lead. And I think that there's a lot that can be gained. There's a very nice thing about Democracy by Thomas Paine, which is a great fatigue in, so those who wish to reap the blessings of freedom must undergo the fatigue of supporting it. So, it's lunge work. It's very incremental. You have to constantly engage. And it's really not the pace at which one chooses to do so, the extent to which one chooses to do so is left to each person's circumstances. But engage we must.